I've not been doing well at vlogging because I started working again this week and I have a restock tomorrow. But we're still hanging in there, getting a lot of work done around the house. I know. We cleaned the kitchen cabinets, put some liners in. Alec finished it off and put the rest of the stuff in, basically taking things out of storage and putting them in their own place. I'm still brainstorming what I want to do with Cove's room because it's looking a little drab, honestly. My initial idea was to do wainscoting, but I just feel like that's a little bit too traditional, too classic for me and for her. We run a little more wild than that. I know, girl. Hi. You're so tiny. You're just a tiny girl. Guess it would make sense to show you guys what we've got accomplished so far. So this is what the little sitting area looks like for Cove's play. Okay, next I'll show you what we got so far. My idea here is to keep it really simple. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that table yet. I'm probably gonna either get rid of it or find a place for it somewhere else. But right for now, it kind of acts as a nice little like side table for if you were to sit on this bench. This bench came from an antique sale that we went to the other week. It's still a lot of clutter. Like I'm working right here and on that table. But I have our West Elm sectional, the Newport sectional. Right now we're currently shopping for, or I'm currently shopping for, a chair or a love seat or some sort of two-seater lounge thing to go in this area so that we have optimal seating. Some random pieces here that I've had from storage. And then this TV stand I'm really excited about. That PS4 is gonna be gone. We only use it for watching a movie, and right now we just don't have streaming. We don't have Wi-Fi, so we had to use it for our movie. This stand I got from Amazon, and it's basically just a tripod TV stand, and it looks like it wouldn't be sturdy, but it really is. And I even tried from here, like it's pretty sturdy. That's sweet, Denver. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, hi, Cove. Almost called Cove Stormy. So, okay, first of all, this antique rug that we got married on, it's not staying here. It's just a placeholder for when we get our new rug. Oh, I just want to stare at her all day. This corner is pretty spacious. I see it as kind of like, I want to have like a fireside type of lounge chair. Not that we'll be, sitting by the fire all year because it's like we're in Texas, but still can't decide if I want these to be indoor or outdoor slippers, but it's looking like these are gonna be outdoor slippers. They do have like a sole, so that's good. All right, it's later in the night and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now, the floor. Definitely not gonna have a pink floor, but this is the progress that has been made so far. We decided that instead of tearing out the original tile, the guy said that the tile is in good enough condition to be able to lay over it, which would take less time, less mess. Really feels a lot more open and spacious here already, just by having like a larger scale tile. Look at these beautiful new blinds that Alec installed perfectly. They're just really great. I love them. Hopefully they're easy to clean. We'll see. You
can't have this.
You guys want to see what the floor looks like now? This is day 3 of them working on it. They still have yet to put the grout, but it looks so good. He just cleaned it, and I think that's the first thing he's gonna do this morning when he comes. How's it feel? Oh my gosh. Okay guys, the floor is ready. Just the texture of the floor looks so cool. This paint color, however, with the trim is something that we need to think about. But the floor looks so good. I'm so excited about it. Oh, goodness. It's pretty late in the night, but Alex so graciously took the frame off of the fireplace, which I had been wanting to do for a while. You can see that it's super dirty. We'll have to repaint this mantle. Got some shelving decor up. I'll be playing around with this stuff a lot, but this is what we got so far. Some vintage pieces paired with some handmade goods and books, of course, and Cove's toys. We also had a little bit of a hiccup with the washer and dryer. In hopes of saving some money, we decided to buy off Facebook Marketplace from this guy who from this guy who supposedly refurbishes washers and dryers, and depending on his response or lack of response, we'll figure out if it's a scam or not. Once Alec and his dad installed the washer and dryer, stuff started happening. The washer started spewing out gross stuff, and the dryer does not heat up. So those are two major issues. We cannot wash clothes yet.